Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have a junkyard seat. Let me get this out the way because today I'll be showing you guys how to properly clean it using fabric clean, a dilution spray bottle, some water, and the Nifty Brush. Let's get to it. Today I will be using fabric clean. Fabric clean is a citrus-based product that's going to penetrate deep into the fabric. It's going to pull off any dirt, grime, bad odors, and rejuvenate it to how it once was. So right here I have my secondary sprayer bottle. I'll twist off the sprayer. And what this is going to help me do is going to help me dilute fabric clean, because you need to dilute it to attack tough grimes, because right here it's fully concentrated. Never use it like so. So I will twist it off, make sure the lid is off because I always forget to take it off. So take that out. And now I'm good to go. So for heavy amounts of dirt or grime, I recommend diluting it 8:1. These secondary sprayer bottles are so cool because it has a dilution ratio. So you're bad at diluting just like how I am, I recommend using a secondary dilution sprayer bottle. If you have light grime or debris, I recommend diluting it 20:1. So just twist open the spout, and then I will spray it 8:1 because this is a junkyard seat and I don't know what's been on it. Just like so. I did go a little bit over, please excuse that. But you guys can see it went up a little bit over 8:1, not a problem. So here's my water. We recommend diluted water because you want the proper mixture whenever you clean any fabric. So I'll just pour some water in here all the way to the top. Please excuse the noise if you guys hear background noise. It is Friday here at Detail Garage and it's busy, and we see your wonderful faces. So if you have a local detail garage, make sure to stop on by, say what's up to the team, and share your passion and your shine with us. Attach the nozzle back on. So I just finished diluting fabric clean, my secondary sprayer bottle. All the chemicals down here. So what we recommend to do is stir it, do not shake it. Never go like shake it super hard, because then you'll cause foam inside, and you want more foam on your seat than inside your mixture. So just stir it like so. So you get the proper mixture. And then the cool thing about this secondary sprayer bottle is it actually has a blank spot where you can name your product. For example, I might know that fabric clean is in here, but Joey on their hand or Nick on their hand might come into a detail garage and pick out a product, and they might be using it for the wrong stuff. So we recommend labeling it so everybody around the house or even around your car knows exactly what product you're using. So I'm gonna put that down right here. I don't need my water anymore. Cap this up. And then the brush today I'll be using is going to be the Nifty Brush. So the Nifty Brush has these nylon bristles are stiff enough to penetrate the fabric, release everything that's sitting on it, and restore it to how it once was. So let me just get this bad boy back on here and we'll start cleaning it. So I got the seat back onto the counter, and now it is time to give you guys a hardcore 50-50. Excuse me if it's not straight. Oh, snap. And I do read your guys' comments. You guys last time told me in the comment section, Henry, make sure to wear gloves whenever you're dealing with fabric. So I got gloves on for you guys. We read every single comment and we try to respond to every single comment. So make sure to comment down below anything you want to know, and we'll reply back to you. So now that the tape's already on there, I'll go ahead and get my fabric clean. I'll spray it on here. I'm gonna be very, very generous because I do not know where this fabric seat has been, because it was in the junkyard and one of our coworkers went over there, dismantled the car, and got us a super dirty seat. I don't even know from what car it is. And then after that, I'll spray my Nifty Brush for extra added lubrication. And now I will go to the fabric and I'll just scrub it back and forth. What fabric clean starts to do, it starts to penetrate the fabric to restore its original odor. Nonetheless, it's going to remove any dirt, grime, debris that might be sitting on the fabric. So just massage it. And if you need more, feel free to add more. This is a great thing to do constantly on your vehicle, because you don't know if your passenger has spilled something, left something, had oils on their pants, their denim jeans might be deceiving you to look at your fabric. Oops. So we recommend constantly cleaning your fabric to maintain its original sheen and look for a longer period of time. And like this, your fabric does not start to turn dirty. So just scrub it back and forth. And now I will get my microfiber towel and I will massage it in one direction. And I know you guys always say it's not dirty, this or that, but I'll show you guys how dirty this seat actually is. Let me just wipe it down. And you guys can flip this over and you guys can see how dirty that is. So imagine this. All this dirt, grime, debris is penetrating the fabric of this seat, but you might not know because it's a dark color fabric, but you constantly need to keep this in mind. Clean your seats, because if you do not clean them, over time it's going to turn more difficult to clean, or it can permanently damage it. So I'll give it a second pass. And fabric clean smells like lemon, smells amazing. So just be very, very generous. Spray my brush again. And a cool trick that I like to do is I like to grab a microfiber towel, just in case you have very delicate seats, wrap it around and just scrub it out. And like this, you're still removing dirt, grime, and debris, but the bristles aren't being so harmful on very delicate surfaces. So if I flip it over, you guys can see there's still dirt coming out of it. So I'll give it a new area to clean. So I'll move my towel down. And we recommend using light colored towels on interior fabrics, because if you have a dyed leather, you have a dyed fabric, and you do not want any products that might be harming the finish of your fabrics or leather. So use a light colored towel and a cleaner. Clean out an inconspicuous area to see if any dye comes out. So just make sure to clean it all up. Flip it over. And you guys can see there's still dirt and grime coming out. So I'll flip it over. You guys can see how dirty it is. To a clean side. And now I will massage it in one direction, just to make sure I get everything off. And just like that, I restored it. So if I remove my tape, you guys can see the crazy before and after. So on this side, it's still dirty compared to this side. Now it's clean. I'm still gonna give you guys a hardcore 50-50, so I'm gonna let it dry up in the sun.
15 minutes later.
So I just let this bottom portion of the seat dry up in the sun, and if I rub it, nothing comes off of it. Compared to if there's liquid on rubber, you guys will see something like so. So if I rub it, nothing. So guys, that's a big before and after. You guys can see on this side, the fabric actually got darkened because all this grime, debris was penetrating the fabric and not making it look its best. Now I can say I completely restored it. If you guys want to see us protect this fabric and make it water bead, make sure to drop a huge comment down below telling us coat that seat. This is a great step to do before applying any coatings to your fabric. You must clean it before you protect it, because if you don't clean it, all the dirt, grime, and debris is going to not let the coating penetrate the fabric, and it's not going to let it coat properly. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on future videos you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.